So we've been talking about the printing press and how it changes people's lives, making books more accessible to everyone. More books mean more reading, right? But as you know, not everyone has a perfect vision. This increasing literacy in reading led to increasing demand for eyeglasses. And here's something you probably haven't thought of. This increased demand impacted the societal attitude toward eyeglasses. But first, let's maybe a little bit and talk about vision correction before the printing press. And what do people with poor vision do? I mean, especially those who people who, well, they have different ways of dealing with not seeing well. If you think about it, the poor vision was their only problem. I mean, think about the conditions they lived in. Houses were dark, sometimes there weren't any windows, the candles were the only source of light. So in some places, like ancient Greece, for example, the wealthiest people with provision could have someone else read to them. Easy solution if you could afford it. Then there's reading soon. Around 1000 European mark. And place it on top of the reading material. The clear rock magnifies the letters, making them appear larger. Looks like what happened when a drop of water falls on something. Whatever below the drop of water appears larger, right? Well, the reading is working similarly. But rocks like balls called optical cord once cheap. Later in the 13th century, glass makers in Italy came up with less extended clear glass. And this clear glass reading stone evolved into the eyeglasses we know today. So we are pretty sure that the glasses were invented about the late 1200s, well over 500 before the printing press. But it's not clear who exactly invented them first, or exactly what year. But records show that they were invented in both Europe and China at about the same time. By the way, we call this independent discovery. Independent discovery means when something is invented in different parts of the world at the same time, and it's not as usual as it sounds. You can look at the time chart at the time book doctor in a different culture at about the same time to see what I'm talking about. So now let's dive into what I've said before about the societal attitude toward glasses. Initially in parts of Europe and China, glasses were a symbol of wisdom and intelligence. This is evidence in our network from European paintings often portray doctors or judges wearing glasses. In China, glasses were very expensive, so in addition to intelligence, across wealth. In 14th century, China's port was because glasses, the smaller and wealthier this subject was. 1440. What happened? Suddenly, books became widely available to read, so the need, well, actually not only the need, but the demand for more affordable glasses rose drastically. Eventually, inexpensive glasses were produced, and then glasses were available to everyone. People could purchase them easily from a traveling peddler.